In this video, I will show you how to show Wi-Fi password in computer on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, what you want to do is make sure you're first of all on your Windows 11 desktop, and from your desktop, you want to come down to the bottom to your taskbar and click onto the search box. Into the search box, you want to type View Network. And underneath Best Match, you should see a result come up called View Network Connections. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to open up a window like this. On here, you should see your Wi-Fi connection. It's going to be labeled Wi-Fi like mine here. What you want to do is double click to open up a window like this. And from here, you want to click onto Wireless Properties. Then what you need to do is come up to the top. You're going to see two tabs, Connection and Security. Click onto the Security tab, and you're going to see your network security key down here. And to see your password, all you need to do is simply tick this box here where it says Show Characters. Once you've done that, your password's going to be revealed. Of course, I've blurred mine out for security reasons, but that is how to go ahead and show your Wi-Fi password on a computer on Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.